Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install RStudio on your Mac OS. So today's topic is installation of RStudio. So RStudio is an integrated development environment that is IDE for R and Python. It includes a console, syntax highlighting, editor that supports direct code execution, and tools for plotting, history, debugging, and workspace management. RStudio is available in open source and commercial editions and runs on desktop, that is Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now let's move on to installation. So this is the official installation website. It says RStudio IDE, the most popular coding environment for R, built with love by Posit. Focus on build with love. This is important. Yeah, now let's just click download RStudio. Now the first step is installation of R. So we have already installed R on our system. If you haven't, please check our video on installation of R programming language for macOS, or simply click download and install R here. So we have completed this step. Now we'll install RStudio by clicking on this. So download RStudio for desktop Mac. So I'm clicking allow. So this is the version. Now the size is 365.7 MB. So it will take a few seconds. Let's just take a look at the website. So these are the versions available and these are their sizes, and these are some additional resources. And the official website is posit.co/download/RStudio and desktop. So this is the official website for installation. This is the package which is being downloaded, and we'll use it for installation of RStudio. Now only a few seconds are remaining. So the download is complete. Now double click and here. So we are copying RStudio to applications. Now let's see if we got it or not. Here it is. Let me just launch it and click open. So this is the interface of RStudio. So in today's video, I covered how to install RStudio for Mac OS. That will be all for today. Thank you.